Hi, my name is Luis Felipe Restrepo Vázquez. What is coronavirus? Coronaviruses are viruses that periodically arise in different parts of the world and cause acute respiratory infection. That is to say flu, this can be mild, moderate or severe. The new coronavirus COVID-19 is listed by the World Health Organization as a public health emergency of international concern. This virus has been present in Colombia since March 6, 2020, and although cases have decreased, it is still among us. Symptoms of COVID-19. Symptoms can vary in different people, depending on their comorbidities, their ages, and so on. However, the most common symptoms are fever, cough, runny nose, loss of smell and taste, general malaise, and shortness of breath. How can the spread of COVID-19 be prevented? There are several measures to try to reduce the possibility of infection. However, the most effective is to wash several times a day with soap and water and use the mask properly. Other measures are: avoid physical contact with other people. Do not touch your face with your hands. Do not leave the house if you have any symptom of the flu. Clean and disinfect objects and surfaces with which we are in frequent contact. This virus leaves people with sequelae that take a long time to dissipate and others that last over time. Also, a large number of deaths that affect family and friends, with the pain of losing a loved one added with the uncertainty of thinking who might be next. This pandemic in turn allowed many families to be reunited and spend time together through quarantine. Likewise, the environment and nature can have a rest and a respite from the invitation that man makes on that every day. Today, we are already returning to a new normal, returning to work, studies, and other daily activities, but still maintaining the necessary precaution to avoid contagion while people are finished vacation to reduce symptoms in case of contagion. Thank you.